So we just moved in and we're just going to explore my brand new yard. I'm so excited. Let's see outside, let's explore. It's kind of raining a little bit. So we have rosemary planted here and it's pretty well established, but I live in zone 5, so I'm not sure if this is going to survive the winter. If not, I do have my own rosemary that I'm probably just going to keep inside the house. This is sage. Again, I don't know if this is going to survive the winter. I'm not really sure what kind of sage this is. I know this is lavender. Again, we live in zone 5. Lavender is not that hardy. I don't know if it's gonna survive, but that's okay because again, I have my own stuff inside right now. We have this beautiful wisteria vine. I've actually always wanted wisteria, and I just, I never got one because I thought it would be hard to manage, but this is, again, like it came with the house. I'm super excited. I really hope that I can get it to bloom. Hopefully I'll see some wisteria flowers in the spring. That would be a ton of fun. Again, I've always wanted wisteria. This is the septic tank, so I have to kind of keep it clear, but I'm thinking I might plant my currants and gooseberries along here in a row. Like, this seems like some kind of weeping Japanese maple tree. I mean, it was super pretty when we saw it in the summer. Again, don't know what it is. Now let's explore some more. We have this random ornamental evergreen. I don't know, I might leave this, I might rip it out. We're not gonna rush into anything though. Gonna kind of figure it out. And I planted some different colors of hyacinths here, and we'll see how they like the winter. We have this rose, and this came with the house too. I didn't really plant anything yet except the hyacinths. I have no idea what color this rose is, but we'll see in the spring. It's pretty well established, thick cane, thicker than mine. We have like this open space. The backyard's pretty open. There are some blackberry bushes over here. So like maybe I'll extend that a little bit and I'll plant some of my blackberries and some raspberries. Maybe like extend it, the bramble, to like over there, like maybe along the property line. And I'll plant some more blackberries, raspberries, and my, I forgot what it's called, jeez. There was a wild raspberry that I grew up with when I lived in a different state than I live in now. And it was like a raspberry. It looked exactly like a raspberry, but it grew wild, like all over the place. And it was a little bit more sour than a raspberry, but it tasted amazing. And I don't remember exactly what it's called, but I think I'll plant that here too. I don't know what this is. It looks kind of like my lingonberries, except the leaves are a little bit more oblong. I was thinking about either planting that here, maybe my mountain laurel. I'm gonna definitely plant blueberries in the front of the house. Don't know what this is. It's autumn, so it's kind of hard to tell what everything is. I know that this is a lilac, this tree right here, and it's kind of struggling because it's in kind of the shade. Like the tree, the leaves had mildew, white mildew, when I was here for the inspection. what that is. That is another lilac. And I think that one should be doing a lot better because it's in the sun and not in the shade like the other one. But I didn't even notice that we had 2 lilac trees, so. Oh, and we have, oh, look at that. What is this? These are chives. I have chives. These I know come back every year because they came back every year for me as a child, and we definitely never planted them. Yay, I actually wanted chives. They have like these really pretty purple flowers that are edible, and you can like throw them in salads, and they taste like onions because they're related to onions. That's so cool. I have chives. That's kind of cute that they have like a little herb garden right off the kitchen door. Hopefully some of those herbs survive because they're not really hardy to this area. Rosemary is like hardy to zone 6, and this is again zone 5. This is a Concord grapevine, and I have a lot more grapes that I'm going to plant. I have Niagara and Concord. And yeah, look at that. There is a dried up grape. That's sad nobody ate the grape. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside because it's freezing. My little desert garden on the kitchen sink. Got cacti, agaves, and some orchids and a jasmine.